Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. My husband says this is the most comfortable shirt he owns. This is a sleeveless tank from ZIWOCH and he has it in the size large. Normally he's medium, but he sized up because he wanted it to be loose fitting, and it really is. The fabric is very soft. The armholes on the tank are also very large, so he has lots of freedom of movement when he is working out, and a lot of airflow, which he says is very important to him. It's long, this tank top, so it goes past his natural waist, and I think it's fitting true to size because he's usually a medium. He wears it to work, he wears it around the house, he wears it running errands, he wears it working out. He loves this tank because it's so soft. So if you love softness as well, this is definitely the sleeveless tank for you. And that is my point of view.